For me? For me? No. Is it delicious? Woo. For me? No, probably not. Oh, for me? Oh, just kidding. Yeah. For me? No. Yeah. For me? Ah, thank you. Oh, here you go. Huh? The lid. Delicious. Delicious lid. Paris. For me? No, okay. For me? Oh, thank you. Delicious. What? Did you want to come see Daddy? Ding! That looks great. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, good. Paris, you want to trade? Paris. Paris. Paris, trade. This one's way better. Nope. How about this one? You love that lid. Ooh. Trade? You take this one? I'll take this one. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Bye, Paris. Those are my jeans. Bye.